The crisis between Israel and Lebanon on one hand, and then a major conflict between United States of America and Iran on the other hand, has actually caused enormous consequences to the current world in current times. Should that be in the domain of politics? Should that be in the domain of military? Or even more notably, should that be in the domain of economy? The entire world has suffered enormously since these developments had taken place, since these skirmishes, these actions, these conflicts and wars had erupted between the relevant stakeholders. But now, with a beacon of hope, with a little bit of optimism, and with this new recent development, the entire world and the economies of the world are actually very much optimistic that this development may lead to the uplifting of the blockade at the crucial pathway Strait of Hormuz. And this new development came in the form of a formal ceasefire agreement between Hezbollah of Lebanon and the Israeli authorities. And the subsequent impact was a relief in the global markets of oil. As far as the new prices of crude or Brent oil are concerned, the new prices have actually been reduced by 3.1%, which means that per barrel $3.05 reduction has been recorded, and now this crude or Brent oil would be available at $94.76. Moreover, US West Texas intermediate prices have also fallen by $3.24 per barrel, which means that the US West Texas intermediate would be available at $92.78 per barrel, implying a 3.4% of reduction in this particular regard. Apart from the general relief in the global prices of oil, one more fact in this particular regard is worth mentioning, that earlier the Islamic Republic of Iran had put forth its condition that a permanent ceasefire agreement between United States of America and Iran shall only be achieved when United States of America would make arrangements for the Israeli authorities and Israeli militaristic forces to retreat from the Lebanese territory. And now, with this formal ceasefire agreement between Hezbollah and Israel, it has also ignited and sparked greater optimism among the global peacemakers that now a bigger truce, a permanent ceasefire may or shall be achieved between United States of America and Iran as well, so that it would actually impact the global markets of oil positively.